fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone. I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. Legs wrapped around my beard. Got the fastest car Zoom. Hope we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie. Don't cry my heart, don't wanna die. Keep the pistol on my side. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. We ain't stressing about the loot. My block made a quesadilla. This not the molly, this the boot. Ain't no coming back from here. Live a life a lot familiar. It's so much gain that I can't see it. Yeah. Turn it up till they can't hear. Running around for the thrill. Yeah, dog, run my reel. Raw, I've been going to the real. Nah, they know back of the veil. Gorgeous, baby, keep me hard and still. Been on this since we was kids. I fill my mind up with ideas. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. Durkee told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just sat with the man.
Young Chop on the beat.
Lost souls up.
These bitches lost souls up, oh and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheap souls up. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it all for Sosa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of bro boys. Got y'all some robots, got y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boys. Lost souls up, and they love them glow boys. Know we from the go boy, boys. You won't speak again, boy. Don't think that I'm playing, boy. No, we don't use hands, boy. No, we don't do friends, boy. Collect bands on the landlord. I get lots of commas. I can fuck your mama. I ain't with the drama. You can meet my llama. Riding with 300, with 300 foreigns. These bitches see cheese sauce. I swear to God they all know. These bitches love salsa. Oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boss. You gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers. These hoes are cheese salsa. Hit on with that cobra. Now that boy slumped over. They do it all for salsa. You boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy. Yo click full of bro boys. Die y'all some robots. Die y'all some robots. We GB.
Alright, boys, we're back. We are back, boys. How's everyone feeling? How's everyone doing? It's time to make that money, man. Time to make that money. We're currently in profit here on Euro USD. I was like a pip away from moving my stops to break even. And price decided to do this bullshit right here. Called the signal for the for the FOREX signal channel. If you guys aren't in the signal channel, make sure you guys are getting in it, bro, to get every single one of my trades. But yeah, good way to start the freaking day here in profit, which is nice. But we'll see what happens. Very light risk on this position. I do believe that we are gonna hit targets, which is down under here. I could break it down for you guys just so you guys understand a little bit on what we saw. This isn't my idea. This is actually Euro's idea. But I am in it with him. So at the end of the day, missed yesterday's gold trade, almost 100 pips. I know, Patty. Come on, how are you not gonna get in with me? But yeah, so I can break it down for you guys. So pretty much what I was looking at here on the 30-minute time frame was price was started to come out of the zone here. Once price closed like this, I just waited for the candle to push down a little bit deeper in the range, executed right there, put stop loss right above these highs here, and now we're looking to catch that next leg to the downside. Now, do I think that we are overall bearish in this scenario? No. Why? Because price is clearly bullish, right? We broke lower high structures over here, so this is just a quick retracement trade, which is why I went a little bit light on it. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's just what we have to freaking do. Okay, we got to just react to the market. If the market's already made a high, well, guess what's gonna happen? It has to come down and, you know, make a freaking low. So that's what we're going for right now. If we can just break these lows and start trading below this little area right over here, that'd be key. But I do want to talk about that gold trade. Let me break this down here. Alright, so if you guys are watching here on X, make sure that you guys are tapped in to my YouTube channel where we go live every single day. But let's break down this beautiful banger on freaking gold that I called last night. After taking a loss, you guys know I'm fully transparent with the trades that I take. But after taking a loss, we took this absolute freaking banger. So what I noticed was price was rejecting off of this major level over here. From that point, we started to create higher low structure, lower high but higher low structure. So what does that tell me? That tells me that if price breaks out, that'll be the break of structure, right? Because price has already showed bullish sentiment right over here and right over here. Without breaking lows, we do know that we are kind of creating, you know, trying to go up. So once I saw that, I knew that this push to the upside was just that break of structure. So now what do we need to focus on? We need to wait for the retracement to come and then look to execute our trade. We waited for this little execution, this little no trade range right over here. Waited for that push to happen. If you notice on the 15-minute time frame, we did see some drawdown here. But that was okay. You guys saw me yesterday. I stayed on stream with you guys just so you guys can know that we are going to hold this position. And then price decides just to break out. Then puts us a little bit in drawdown. We weren't too worried because we had our stop loss all the way below here. So I'm bullish above this zone here, right? And even more bullish within this zone over here. Price then decides to rip up. I do know that to put my stops to break even at TP1. And then I told you guys, I'm holding this trade to TP2, most likely. So at TP2, I noticed that we were just ripping through TP2. So I really didn't pull the trigger on closing the position too early because, bro, this is all momentum all the way up to here. I'm still in this trade. We just got to see what happens, bro. Hold up, did we just hit TP on? Okay, beautiful. This trade is coming down here, which is a freaking banger, bro. Let's go. Sorry I didn't hop on a little bit sooner. We just have a schedule with the live streams. And we called this trade like 2 hours ago, or like an hour ago. So wasn't gonna hop on an hour early because I'm in a trade, but still, bro, this is just what we do, bro. Boom, TP smash. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. This is why I'm saying you guys gotta be in the signal chat, bro. You have to. But yeah, boys. So absolute freaking bangers, man. Like, you can't make it up, bro. So let's go back to the gold trade. On this gold trade over here, we did see that price was pushing up, but then I woke up in the morning and I was like, okay, hold up. We're pushing with zero retracement, right? So then I woke up and I went down to the 5-minute time frame. I know, guys, I probably shouldn't be on the 5-minute time frame, but I noticed this. Let me go ahead and delete this for a second. I noticed this, right? Price created this high over here, and we started to break out of it, right? Then price pushed to the downside. Once I saw this push to the downside, breaking like this low over here, price then pulls up, right? What I noticed was we had a small head and shoulders pattern right over here. So I just sold right here at, I can't remember my exact entry. This was for futures here. So we sold it at 2615, which was pretty much right there. Yeah, like right here. Yeah, beautiful. So right there we sold it, and price literally just gave us a nice TP1. Closed my full position because I did know that we were absolutely freaking bullish, and I was still holding my runners from last night. Just got another entry. I risked about half of the profits we made on that first long position and made half of the profits back. You get me? So a lot of nice movements that we saw last night. If you notice, this is just a pullback, right? You guys understand pullbacks by this point. I hope you guys do. We have that push to the downside. We know that we're going to retrace potentially right back up to this zone right over here. Once you get this rejection coming down from that area and a bearish candle close, look to execute that position and just hold it in and out. These moves have to be in and out, guys, because you don't want to be stuck in this move understanding that the overall bias is against you. This is just in and out. I closed my full position on this trade. I didn't hold it. I didn't care about it. Closed full and left those runners running from the trade that we took all the way down under here. And we took a loss. I'm not going to freaking lie to you guys. We did take a freaking loss. You guys know that I'm extremely transparent with each and every trade that we take so that you guys can understand the reality of trading. You know, you're not going to win every single position. As long as you show up every single day, you're going to learn from every single position. So what I loved about this trade is that this was the exact position, right? We took a buy right over here based off the 15-minute time frame. We didn't even take it based off the 15-minute time frame. So I pretty much just set a buy stop right above these highs, as you guys can see right here. I just set a buy stop right above this high and this high. I was like, okay, if we break this high, we should go bullish. But what I didn't notice is that price might want to retrace this big move here that we had before. Price might want to come down and maybe test these lows before pushing up. I literally told you guys that we were down at this level over here, and I said that you guys can look for buys, but it is risky. And bro, yeah, dude, yeah, EU, bro, is that Euro is a freaking beast, bro. Look at that shit. Sheesh. So next target, I believe next target somewhere over here. What a fucking banger, Danny. That was such a banger. I'm so glad I took it with you. Hell yeah, man. But yeah, that's a beautiful freaking day. We're already starting off the day pretty freaking nice. And then New York session is going to be another banger. But I do want to break down this loss real quick. So price then closes up above the range bullish. But then on the 30-minute time frame, we start to close back into the range. At this point, I told everybody, if you guys are risking big on this position, or if you guys are going to lose too much, just close and get out, right? Like, there's really no point in you guys taking a massive loss, especially when you're getting confirmations that we're not breaking out just yet, or maybe moving your stops down under here, which is kind of what I originally planned. I had stops under here, but it happens, guys. So fake out happened, but then guess what? Fake out happened, right? But then you get your 30-minute confirmation and your 30-minute retest right over here with confirmations of this candle. Then you guys could have caught an absolute freaking nut, bro. Absolute freaking nut. So, I mean, I'm not upset about it. Overall bias was correct. The safe buy zones were correct. I just needed to wait for that confirmation. And I just made a mistake last night and I paid for it. Now we move on to the next trading day. That's when we moved on to Euro USD, which is currently running in profit, as you guys can see. Kind of already broke it down for you guys. We did have the no trade range sitting right over here. Price started to show us momentum after really rejecting these highs. Danny said, yo, I think I'm gonna fucking sell the fuck out of this shit. I said, okay, I'm with you, brother. I trust you 100%. 4-hour break and retest as well of this level over here. Danny just said that, which is another beautiful confirmation. Then you get that bearish candle also closing on the 4-hour time frame. Now you can look to sell the fuck out of EU. It's extremely nice, extremely. They don't call him Dr. Euro for no fucking reason. That's all I know. But yeah, so Euro USD, absolute banger. If you guys are on Twitter and you guys enjoyed this, make sure you guys leave a comment down below. I appreciate the support. And yeah. But yeah, so back on YouTube here. Now let me give you guys some setups here for tonight. Although I already caught my freaking dub, to be honest, so we'll see what happens here. Daily time frame. Daily time frame. We have this zone here on the daily time frame. Yeah, we have this zone here as well. Came down and retested this area over here, which is the reason why I was so bullish last night. And then we have the 4-hour time frame. What's it looking like up here? It's honestly, we haven't really retraced this move, so I'm expecting a pretty big retracement here. But then targets potentially to this area over here for buys. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame did have a small no trade range, kind of a little bit too late to the party on that one, to be honest. So this will be that zone. We could make this zone just a little bit more accurate right over here, just to get those reactions, reaction. So now we wait, bro. We need to wait for another no trade range in order to trade this. Right now, price is just melting. You guys could, if you guys are in sells, you guys can potentially take sells down all the way to 26.17. But for me, I'll just be sitting out of this position for now. You caught a dub. Don't forget about us. Lol. Bro, you guys could have caught a dub if you guys were in the signals, though. Like, dude, they're like the cheapest signals out there, man. Use code YouTube. Daddy just texted me. I knew Danny wasn't gonna be able to. Euro wasn't gonna be able to go to sleep until that trade hit. I fucking knew it. But yeah, so let's look at here on gold, on oil here. I'm gonna get that loss back on oil, chat. Just wait on it. We were just dipping so deep within this range. That fake out to the downside is what really pushed all this price all the way up here. Now we have this area over here that we can definitely look to target. Now let's go down to the hourly time frame. This is just a big ass no trade range for me. No trade range. Yo, what's up with my freaking playlist always going to freaking YNW Melly, bro? Jesus Christ, it's so annoying. Like, I want to discover new music. That's what I want. Or we could put some Elvis Presley if you guys want. If you know, you know. Say. Nah, chill. This is like when I'm with my girl and shit. Not when I'm on stream. Not when I'm on stream. Although it is a banger. This is like that stream shit. Christmas feeling. I'm really interested in these buys though, but I do want to see a retracement before pushing up. How many trades on your Forex signals per week? We try to take a trade every single day, bro. Yesterday we called. Here, we could just go through it. So yesterday we called 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is future. Sorry. Let's go to Forex here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 signals in the last 6 trading days. Look at GJ buys, bro. GJ buys played out so beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember when I started putting positions out. Look at that sells on freaking NASDAQ. Sells on US 30 also worked. You can't play with me, bro. Seriously, dog. Like, my levels don't fucking lie, chat. Like, if you guys are here for the first time ever, like, just copy my fucking levels, and I promise you, you're gonna become rich as fuck, dude. Like, this strategy is insane. Like, it's literally insane. Like, you guys see it every single freaking day, bro. But yeah, boys, I do like this zone here for buys as well. To potentially target this area over here for buys. But I do want to see a retracement on everything, bro. I think that things are just freaking flying out of this world. Dollar, what do you think of the markets for December? It gets low or what? Bro, I think that you guys should take your positions if you guys have the right confirmations every single time, no matter what. How much do your future signals cost? Just use code YouTube. Code YouTube and you'll get like 50% off. And that's just for you guys. You guys even have a special code, man. DJ setting up nicely for buys, yeah. But where are you looking for buys, Shawnee? Are you looking for buys up here or like right now? I just don't like buys right now because of this zone here. Although we could just fucking rip right past it. But it's just very choppy here. Chat, are you guys in a trade right now or no? Let's check where Euro USD is. Okay, a little pullback. That's fine. Yeah, above 196. I think that's the level I drew out. Oh, above 196. 196 is right here. But yeah, guys, I honestly think I'm going to call it early stream here today, bro. I know you guys are going to hate me for this, but I have to wake up early as fuck tomorrow. Raja Banks is live, though. So if you guys want to go check out Raja Banks' stream, I would definitely recommend him. He's the one who showed me how to trade. So maybe you guys can learn a little bit from my mentor. And then you guys can put in his chat. Wait, is he live? Yeah, he's live. You guys can put in his chat that Dr. Dollar sent you. All right. You guys can go check out my boy Raja Banks. He's my mentor, bro. I fucking learned a lot from that guy. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have been able to become profitable. And you guys probably wouldn't know who Dr. Dollar is. So shout out to him, bro. He's shown me a lot. So make sure when you guys go over there, make sure you guys say Dr. Dollar sent you. Piss him off a little bit, you know? But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We just caught an early trade here today. That's the only reason why I'm leaving, chat. I don't want to force anything. Already won today. Move on to the next trading day.